Space is not a flat surface across which we walk. It's like a pincushion of a million stories if you stop at any point in that walk. Space is the dimension of things existing at the same time, of simultaneity. It's the dimension of multiplicity. Space is the dimension that presents us with the existence of the other. And that means it is space that presents us with the question of the social, and it presents us with the most fundamental of political questions, which is how are we going to live together?
I think the first movement I joined, by the way, because I went to a friend, Go. I went for a drink, for a wine, and then it turned into, something else.
Can you check weather for tomorrow so that we know if the weather is it's bad like today, so we weren't able to meet. Martha, sorry for not answering you. Can you book for 20 people, please? Oh, okay. No, I will contact her today, so to check availability. So, hi Martha, can you please, man, when you are communicating with the cafeteria people, ne, and ask, we left each charger in the room with the adapter. Please, can they keep it for me until we meet again? Hi Martha, sorry man, I forgot to send the invoice of the women's study group, so we didn't pay it yet. No, we were looking for the venue for this. Hi, Martha. I hope you're fine. Political school that will have on the 25, 6, 7. No, I'm good, Martha. So it's something serious, then we went to Sunrise Hotel. That place that is beautiful, Sunrise Hotel. And I was just checking on you.
Where is the working class? Where are its organization? What's happening to the working class over these 30 years? of Inkululeko.
Hi. This is our food for our political school. So we cook rice, clean rice, and then beetroot, and then we have chakalaka, and we have potato salad, then we have chicken. Yeah, two different flavor of juice. This is, guava is guava, and what's that?
Mango,
This
no?
one, innit? Tropical. And then we have water that have lemon water here.
This is when comrade do manual work.
The man's place is also in the kitchen.
Yeah. Let's see if they are able. How is it, Bubu? Is he coping with the job?
And for me, my fighting is that I'm tired of surviving. I want to love.